we're going to get a little bit more experience using Excel to divide. Remember that to divide in Excel you use the slash key that also has the question mark on it. Alright, so up here in the top we're going to type your name, first and last name please. Okay, now example, this is just an example one. You have 15 cookies and 6 friends. You want to give each friend equal amounts of cookies. Write an equation. That should be bonus. That should go, that should set off alarms in your brain saying it's going to start with an equal sign. Write an equation that will tell you how much cookie to give each friend. Okay, so what you're going to do is, how many cookies do you have? Well, go read your question there again. 15. And how many friends do you have? Read it again if you're not sure. Okay. Then in H9, write an equation that will divide your cookies by how many friends. Okay. So obviously it's an equation, so we're starting with equals. Put an equal sign up there. You want to divide your cookies by your friends. I keep trying to stress this, that you're not dividing 15 by 6. In Excel, you're doing cell where the information is located, which is the cell names. So you're going to divide where the information is found. How many cookies is found in H7 divided by, it's that slash, how many friends you have is found in H8, and hit equals. Each friend is going to get 2.5 cookies. Okay, so that's how you're going to do some of these division problems. You have a bag of Skittles with 85 pieces of candy. You and 2 friends will eat the candy. How many pieces of the candy do each of you get? Now, I know that you could probably do that in your head and figure it out, but if you simply click here and put the number there, you're not going to get any points, because I'm going to click there and look up here to see whether you wrote the formula, the equation that'll tell you that. Okay, this is about knowing how to do the math and how to tell Excel to do the math, rather than just saying, oh, well, I think it's this much. Okay, don't just click there and type that in there. Now this one gets a little bit more tricky. You have 455 baseball cards. Your friend has 313 cards. You're going to combine. What mathematical function would you be doing if you were going to combine? You would add. Combine and add is the same thing. You're going to combine all the cards together, then divide them evenly to give your 3 nephews. So there's kind of 2 different things you need to do here. How many cards do you have? How many cards does your friend have? How many cards do you have all together? Okay, so this is its own little problem right here. That's why it's all yellow, by the way. Okay, so then you have the total number of cards here in H22. How many nephews will be receiving the cards? How many cards will each nephew receive? Okay, so you're going to have to figure out how many cards you have total and then work your problem from there. Okay, next one says you are ordering 4 pizzas. Each pizza is cut into 8 slices. You have a total of 32 slices. Now, how I figured that out was I multiplied 4 pizzas times 8 slices in each pizza to get 32. So you have 32 slices of pizza. There will be 6 people eating. Write an equation that tells you how many slices of pizza each person will have to eat. Okay, then the last one, you ate way too much pizza, and want to lose some weight. If you want to lose 18 pounds and you have 7 weeks to lose it, how many pounds should you lose each week in order to meet your goal? Assuming that you're going to lose an equal number of pounds each week and not go on some kind of weird crash diet where you lose a whole bunch and then you gain it and then you, okay, so how many pounds do you want to lose? How many weeks do you have to lose that in? How many pounds do you need to lose each week? When you get done with this, you're going to save this one as last name Excel divide, and turn it in.